Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower with two colors of wool and your finger. First thing to do is to wrap around the first color of wool 15 times on your finger. Then sew round to secure. Follow along and see how I'm doing all of that. When you sew all round and get to the point where you began, then tie to secure. Using your finger as a base, wrap around the second color of wool in between the woolen design and your finger for 20 times to make visible combination. After wrapping around for 20 times, then sew to secure. Now, make a little P66 and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have not done so. At this point, attach a medium-sized bead at the center of the woolen flower. The purpose of this is to make the flower seamless and beautiful. I believe you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.